Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn the remaining part of chapter number 1 of class 4 and the page number is 6. Book is Oxford International Primary Book for class 4 and the topic is face value and partitioning. The question number 1 was done by us by last week in the last video, so we will do the question number 2. Look at these numbers 40, 370, 200, and these all. Okay, make four different 3 digit number. For example, I can make 390 plus 7. Okay, let's make the numbers. First, we will first number we will plus the 800 plus 70 plus 8 is equal to 878. First number is this, and the second number is okay for 300 plus 2 sorry plus 90 plus 2 is equal to 392. Okay, this is the second number, and we will make another number, that is 100 plus 40 plus 7 is equal to 147. And last number, that is the fourth number, is 100 plus 90 plus 7, sorry 7 not 2, is equal to 192. These are the numbers. First is 878, second is 192, 392, and 4147. So where will come the number? So first we will make an estimate where will our numbers be placed. Okay, here's the almost 400, and here will be 147. Next is 192, and the third is 392, and the fourth is 878. So let's write them. Here will be 147, and the second is 192, and third is 392, and the fourth is 878. So this is the number, rounded number to nearest 10. Okay, first number is 147, so nearest 100 will be 200. Nearest 10 will be, sorry, so nearest 10 will be like 150. And it was in 192, so the nearest 10 is 200. Next is 392, so nearest 10 will be 400. And here will be 878, and nearest will be 880. Okay, where look at these numbers, make up 4-digit numbers, and this is the homework. Okay, let's do the exercise 1B, counting on and back. You can use place value to count on and count back in ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, like for example, 4,642 plus 100 is equal to 4,742, and so on. So we will do the first question, that is 2,574. So plus 1,000 will be 3,574. So here will be minus 10, 3,564. Here will be minus 100, 3,464. So plus 1 will make it 3,465. So next will be 4,892 plus 10 is equal to 4,902. So next is plus 100, 4,000, sorry, 5,000 and 1. So next is minus 1,000. So this will be 4,000 and 1. And if we plus 100 in it, it will be 4,101. So these three parts will be your homework. So okay class, let's resume our recording. And here we look at this number in the middle column of the table and count on back to complete the both sides of the grid. The first row is, for example, known. Okay, the first is done, so we will do the second one. 3,261. This will be minus, if we minus 1 from this number will be 3,260. And if we minus 10 from this number, then it will be 3,250. And if we minus 100 from this number, then this will be 3,150. And if we minus 1,000 from it, it will be 2,150. With plus 100 and 3,261, it will be 3,262. Though, so if we plus and 10 in it, it will be 3,272. So adding 100 in it, it will be 3,372. And if you add 1,000 in it, it will be 4,372. It is a bit easy exercise.